Founded from the aspiration to build a strong Vietnamese mechanical enterprise, Automech Mechanical Equipment and Solution Joint Stock Company was established with the mission to conquer new standards in manufacturing automation and place customer at the heart of our service philosophy. Automech provides comprehensive and integrated automation solutions in the field of mechanical engineering. Our core strengths include integrating and designing turnkey manufacturing solutions, supplying equipment for mechanical engineering, automation, sheet metal fab, and steel structures, manufacturing molds, jigs, automated machines, and mechanical assemblies. Over 5 years, we have continuously expanded our operations with headquarters in Hanoi, branch offices in Nẵng and Ho Chi Minh City, a manufacturing and automation integration facility for molds and tools, 2 demo centers showcasing automated production solutions. In the near future, Automech aims to be even closer and more accessible to customers nationwide. We build our brand through expertise and dedication of every individual. Automech is powered by a highly experienced team, where each member shines in their own capability while staying connected as part of a friendly, professional, and modern working environment. We take pride in a cooperative culture that reflects the unique identity of Automech. Under the leadership of a management team with many years of experience in the mechanical engineering industry and with the mission to bridging advanced global technologies to customers in Vietnam, Automech has continuously strived to create outstanding value across the country over the years. Container Shell Production Line Project, PHÁP. The first factory in Vietnam to manufacture and supply made in Vietnam container shells across the country. This flagship, strategically significant project requires an exceptionally high level of automation. Scope of supply includes gooseneck tunnel production line, main machine lines for roof panels, door panels, bottom beams, and gooseneck beams, front and rear door pillar production lines, line 7, continuous punching system, line 4, robotic door seal station, along with various additional machining and processing equipment. Refrigerating cabinet shell manufacturing plant project, PHÁP, designing the production solution and supplying sheet metal fab processing equipment including laser cutting machines, hydraulic shears, CNC press brakes, CNC punching machines, and stamping presses from leading global manufacturers such as JFY, Jadon, and Hans Laser. PHÁP Hà Nam Factory. Automech is trusted and selected by PHÁP as the supplier of the stamping pressing production line for its home appliance manufacturing plant in Hà Nam. VinFast Automobile Manufacturing Plant Project, Tandem 800-1300T Automatic Stamping Line integrated with ABB Robot Body Shop MA, Spot Welding Station Mechanical Workshop, Front and Rear Bumper Welding Station Auxiliary Workshop, VinES Electric Vehicle Battery Manufacturing Plant, designing the processing solution and supplying a complete set of machining equipment for the electric vehicle battery production plant. COGN. Automech supplied 30 press brakes, 3 punching machine, 7 tube laser cutting machines, 12 sheet laser cutting machine, and 4 heavy-duty profile steel cutting machine to this leading FDI company in the sheet metal processing industry. Kim Long Automobile Manufacturing Plant, Huế. Automech serves as the main contractor, providing machinery and production solution for this multi-industry company engaged in automobile manufacturing, assembly, and sales of automotive components and and spare parts in Thừa Thiên Huế. Scope of supply includes robotic car frame welding system, production line for interior workshop, turnkey machining equipment, laser cutting machine, press brakes, CNC milling and turning machines, along with various other equipment. CØNG PHÁP Wood Grain Steel Door Manufacturing Plant. One of the leading manufacturers of wood grain steel doors and fire-rated doors in northern Vietnam has trusted and chosen Automech to supply over 90% of the machinery for their production plant. My Jack. Automech supply Vietnam's largest 1,600-ton single press brakes to My Jack Company Limited, a US-based FDI company specializing in the production of high-quality industrial equipment. Steel Builder. Automech supplies the largest diameter tube cutting machine with the most advanced configuration on the market to Steel Builder GImaeI, a company specializing in providing all products and services related to prefabricated and structural steel in Bà Rịa, Vũng Tàu. 60 kilowatt laser cutting machine, a highlight project at the end of 2024, marking Automech as a supplier of the 60 kilowatt laser cutting machine with the largest configuration on the market today. Always putting customer benefits at the core of sustainable development, Automech collaborates with leading global suppliers such as JFI, member of Germany Triumph Group, Jaden, member of Schuler, Hans Laser, ABB, Kuka, Easton, Landhau Tech, and Zopo. Automech is committed to delivering the highest quality products and services to its customers. Automech has supplied over 200 JFI CNC press brakes to customers across Vietnam, from north to south, including notable clients such as Dạng Đông Lai Bop and Thermos GSC, Hyundai Thành Công Vietnam GSC, Huy Thành Mechanical and Electrical Company Limited, Trường Sáng Company Limited, Thành Tiến Manufacturing and Trading Company Limited, and AMA Vietnam Group GSC. Automech leads the market with the supply of over 150 laser cutting machines, including Vietnam's first 30 kilowatts laser cutting machine, high power tube laser cutting machine, large gantry lasers specialized for steel structure fabrication 20 to 30 kilowatts, heavy duty profile steel laser cutting machines, laser cutting machines integrated with material storage and automated feeding and loading system, specialized equipment for steel structure processing. Automech provides a wide range of products to numerous large and small factories nationwide. The year 2024 marked a strategic transformation for Automech, evolving from equipment supplier to a broader role in manufacturing, demonstrating comprehensive capabilities across the industrial value chain. Design and manufacture of automated production lines. Design and manufacturers of molds. Design and manufacture of jigs and mechanical assemblies. Design and manufacture automated machines. We value the achievement we have made and will continue to build on them in the future, contributing to elevating the scale, appearance, and quality of Vietnam's supporting industry and manufacturing sector. Automech, a leading provider of equipment and automation solutions in Vietnam.